Hello, friends. Today, I'm going to show you some amazing kitchen gadgets that will make your cooking easier, smarter, and more fun. Each gadget is practical, stylish, and super useful. Once you see them, you won't be able to look away. So, make sure to watch the video till the end and tell me in the comments, which gadget did you like the most? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel Kitchen and Home Review, where you'll find brand new product reviews every day. So friends, let's start. Kitchen cutting board. Ultra durable and built to last. Unlike wood or bamboo, these thick, non-porous boards are incredibly durable. Won't splinter, crack, or peel, even after many washes. No oiling or maintenance necessary. Deep juice grooves help capture runoff liquid from messy ingredients. Rubber border helps provide a secure grip on countertops. Food grade and a great choice for all homes. Stays in place during prep. Make food prep easier than ever with the most durable cutting board. Its slip-resistant handle and rubber border help to reduce slipping and sliding on countertop surfaces. BPA-free and food grade. Each board is tested to comply with U.S. regulations, food grade and food safe. Wash in the dishwasher time after time, and boards will not break down. Stainless steel whisk set. High-quality material, made of high-quality durable stainless steel and highly polished processing methods. No worries of rust. You can use the whisk set for a long time. Multiple sizes. This egg beater has 3 sizes for you to choose from, which are 12 inches, 10 inches, and 8 inches. You can choose the right size egg beater according to the size of the bowl. Multi-purpose. This kitchen whisk is ergonomically designed, lightweight, and does not take up space. It is suitable for various cooking places, such as making cakes, whipping cream, stirring batter, and baking pastries, etc., making us more interested in cooking. Easy to clean and store. The handle is rust-resistant and non-stick, making it easy to clean. The handle has a hole design, which can be easily hung on any hook in the kitchen for easy storage, a must-have for home cooks and restaurant chefs. Eggshell opener. Say goodbye to messy cracking. Introducing our innovative eggshell opener for hard-boiled eggs, designed to make cracking hard-boiled and raw eggs a breeze. Just press the button for a clean, quick cut. No more knives or hammering required. This essential tool is among the top kitchen gadgets for 2024. Take it anywhere. Lightweight and portable, this egg cracker is your ideal kitchen aid for outdoor adventures. Easily pack it in your luggage or backpack for hassle-free egg cracking at home, in a hotel, or while camping. Pair it with our egg peeler tool for hard-boiled eggs for the ultimate kitchen and dining experience. Upgrade your kitchen. Transform your cooking routine with this essential kitchen tool that simplifies egg preparation, making it a must-have for every home chef. Whether you're using our eggshell opener, egg cracking tool, or hard-boiled egg peeler, elevate your kitchen experience today. Cleaning rubber gloves. High-quality material. These latex gloves are made of soft rubber, which is both stain-free and odor-free. You also get the fresh, light smell of rubber from them, better than other materials. Best of all, soft latex is gentle on the skin, so you will not get allergic reactions. Protect your hand. These gloves will make it possible for you that is allergic to hand wash the dishes that are not dishwasher safe. Practical design. The design of granules in the palm and fingers increases friction to ensure a better grip and control. The 13.7 inches glove length and cuffs tighten, designed to prevent water from flowing into the glove. Rational component. One order contains 2 pairs of gloves, distinguish between different work use, is a good helper for your life. Best cleaning gloves. Ideal for kitchen cleaning, dishwashing, car wash, indoor and outdoor cleaning, pet care use, etc. Stainless steel fish spatula set. Set of 2 stainless steel spatula. Our spatula set comes with 1 large fish flipper spatula plus 1 small pancake spatula. The large one is perfect for flipping delicate fish fillets, steaks, patties more, while the small one is great for turning small pieces of food like cookies, omelets, pancakes, eggs more. High quality, built to last, durable. Our thin metal spatula set is made from 304 stainless steel that is rust-proof and corrosion-resistant. This slotted turner allows grease to drain and slide smoothly under food without causing any damage, thanks to its perfect thickness and flexibility. Easy grip with modern design. The lightweight stainless steel turner with a non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip and precise control, which makes it easier to grill, flip fry food. Its modern, sleek design doesn't just look good, but fits flawlessly into any kitchen style. Stainless steel utility tongs. Stainless steel construction. These tongs feature a high-quality 430 stainless steel frame. Lock tongs when not in use. Featuring a convenient locking mechanism provides the versatility to securely store the tongs in a drawer or in a crock. When the lock is not engaged, these tong arms should spring open freely at a 30-degree range. Convenient size. These tongs measure 11.57 inches. Dishwasher safe. These tongs are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Warranty. These tongs come with a 1-year hassle-free replacement and lifetime limited warranty. Stainless steel cookware. Premium stainless steel construction. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, our pots and pans set ensures long-lasting durability for consistent cooking performance over time. Stylish and practical. Includes 8 and 10-inch fry pans, 3.5 quart covered sauté pan, 1.5 and 3 quart covered saucepans, 7 quart covered Dutch oven, and a stainless steel steamer, making it the perfect set for your kitchen. Even heating. This pots and pans cookware set prevents hot spots and ensures consistent, reliable cooking results every time. Ultimate comfort and control. Featuring riveted stainless steel handles that provide a secure grip, vented glass lids, measuring marks, and pouring spouts save time and effort during cooking. Versatile cookware. Dishwasher and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with all cooktops, including induction, making meal preparation a more enjoyable experience. Limited lifetime warranty. Cheese grater. Makes everything simple. Just forget your bagged cheese. Only turn the handle for several times and get fresh shredded cheese, cutting the food 12 times faster and saving more time. Go ahead for your favorite recipes with this cheese grater. Premium material. All parts of the rotary cheese grater are made of food-grade ABS material, no BPA. The 3 blades are made of stainless steel, never dull or rust. Our rotary grater provides safe choice and ensures you can enjoy healthy food. 3-option grater. The Parmesan cheese grater finishes food preparation with slicing, shredding, and grinding blade easily, which is perfect for grating cheese, cookie, peanuts, almonds, etc. for salad, hash brown, taco, smoothie, and so on. Easy to clean. This rotary cheese grater is detachable in all parts, making it simple to clean. Just wash it under a stream of water for a few seconds. Also top rack dishwasher safe. Stainless steel wire masher. Ideal for mashing vegetables. Perfect for mashing root vegetables, avocados, apples, and nuts. Ergonomic handle for comfort. The handle is well balanced and ergonomically designed for comfort and smooth operation under heavy use. The handle features a debossed logo, chrome-plated bolster, and a stainless steel end cap. Rust-resistant. The head is crafted from thick 4.5mm stainless steel wire, which is durable and will not rust. Dishwasher safe. This masher is dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Lifetime limited included. This masher comes with a 1-year hassle-free replacement and lifetime limited.